The next lecture is about Albert Bandura socio-cognitive theory. In this lecture, we shall look at this theory, which was advanced by Albert Bandura, to explain about social development of children. The social cognitive theory is a learning theory that posits that people learn by watching what others do. It emphasizes that if people are motivated to learn a particular behavior, they could do so through clear observation. According to Albert Bandura, people acquire complex behavior through modeling. He explains behavior in terms of a person's interaction with the environment, either external or internal. Bandura stressed that behavior, cognition, and the environment mutually influence each other, a process he calls it reciprocal determination. For example, the children's television watching habits in the environment influences their interests or preferences, which in turn determines the channels they select, which is actually the behavior. Social cognitive theory. The following are ways in which people interact with the environment, according to Albert Bandura. Different people prefer different environments. They will make different choices on, and for example, the school they want their children to attend, the television programs that they watch, the music they listen to, friends they want to associate with, and even friends they want to associate with. Different people respond to their environment differently. For instance, anxious people are easily distracted. The way people perceive and treat other people influences how they in turn treat them. For instance, I want to give an example. If we are angry at people, they in turn become angry at us. People with easygoing temperamental or temperaments attract and enjoy close and supportive friendship with others than difficult individuals. In the development of personality, a person is influenced by two factors. These factors are: one, observational learning. This is the ability to learn complex behavior by watching and imitating others. Number two, self-regulation. Self-regulation is also known as self-efficacy. This involves the ability of individuals to exercise influence over their own behavior. Lastly, as we wind up this lecture, ladies and gentlemen, I would like us to look at the application of socio-cognitive theory in our teaching and learning. What are the implications of socio-cognitive theory in teaching and learning? First and foremost, adults and other caregivers should avail themselves as appropriate models for their children to imitate. The environment that children are exposed to should be one that offers children good learning experiences. Since the television has the potential of inculcating aggression in children, appropriate programs should be chosen so that children learn only what is desirable. Since children are active and inquisitive about anything, everything they come into contact with, parents, teachers, and caregivers should actually be able to respond appropriately to the children's questions without restrictions. Finally, children should be trained to take charge of their actions, evaluate the outcome of their behavior and the consequences of their actions on themselves and even on others. So that marks the end of our lecture on Albert Bandura social cognitive theory. I want to wish you all the very best as you read and as you interact with the notes that I've just provided. Thank you. Bye.